Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Dual Security Locking System. So, dual security means we are using two securities, insert the key and 4x3 keypad. So, key insertion, one security, 4x3 keypad using password security. So, in future, you can go for um, fingerprint security, biometric security, RFID security. So, we can extend this project also by using multiple securities. Okay, so right now we are using only two securities. Dual security means we are using key security and as well as 4x3 keypad. So power supply board, 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and 5 volts power supply. 8051 microcontroller, the name is 8089S52 microcontroller IC. So 5 volts. So keypad is connected to the port 1. Insert the key is connected to the P2 cap 7th pin. Alarm connected to the P1 cap 7. 16 cross 2 LC display connected to the port 0. L293D is connected to the port 2.0 and port 2.1 DC motor lock open close. This is driver IC. So now we are going to power supply. So we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. So this is 8089S52 microcontroller IC, 8-bit microcontroller IC, 40 pin IC, total 4 ports, 4 ports, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3. Port 0, it is connected to the 16 cross 2 LCD display. So character LCD display, whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Okay, so dual security locking system, and this is the reset button. So 11.0592 megahertz crystal is the art of the circuit for the microcontroller to generate the clock pulses to the internal CPU to run the program. Okay, so 4x3 keypad, it is connected to the port 0, port 1. So P1 cap 4, it is connected to the alarm 1 cap 7. L293D connected to the motor and theft normal key. Okay, 16 cross to LCD display. So normal key, so you have to we need to insert the key. Okay, so key insert. Okay, enter your password. So must and should you need to press hash, enter the hash. Okay, so password is 4567. So 4, okay, 4 5, wrong password, 2 times 5 entered. Okay, lock password error. So hash, I will give wrong password also. 1 2 3 4. If you give 3 times wrong password, the system will be blocked. Okay, so again we will go for the hash, enter password 1470. Okay, so 3 times wrong password, it will tell a system error. Okay, press reset button. Dual security locking system. Okay, key not inserted. Okay, please insert the key insert. Okay, enter your password. Press hash first. 4 5, 4 5 6 7. Lock is open. Lock pass. Okay, so you put some belonging to that, so everything should be okay. Then lock it, and it is reverse direction. So one for forward direction, another for reverse direction. Okay, so please insert the key. Okay, insert the key. Okay, please enter the password. Okay, so press first hash, star or hash, anything should be okay. Lock password 4 5 6 7. Okay, lock password. Okay, so we are unlocking the door, and after putting something, close it, it will reverse direction. Okay, so please insert the key to enter the password. Power supply board, reset button, microcontroller, L293D, motor driver AC, door open close, alarm, key, 16x2 LCD display, and this is our total block diagram. Insert the key insert. Okay, enter your password, press hash, so 4567, 2 times entered. Okay, unlocking the door. Okay, insert. Okay, lock, completed. Thank you. So we can extend this project using biometric or using RFID and using Bluetooth or using GSM. We can extend. So that time we need to change the microcontroller, but if you go for the RFID, so this place you can put RFID, or this place you can put RFID also. Thank you.